Today we're opening this because an old friend has returned home. This will be a few weeks after it actually physically arrived, but I hope it's worth the wait. So this package was sent to me by Liam Lucas. He's a fellow content creator on YouTube and on Instagram. All the links are down below. You may remember the name. We sent them a set of lights that were beyond our capabilities of repairing, and they were kind enough to repair them for us. So let's open up. There they are. We finally get to explore our Pifco electronic lights. 30 battery operated LED Christmas lights. These are most likely the first set of LED Christmas lights you could buy. I know that LED Christmas lights are a subject of conversation we like to have here and there. There are LED lights that I do like. The Noma Drummer Boy lights that were originally red incandescent lights, they changed them over to LED lights, but I still think they look good. There is a link to that video up there if you'd like to check out the Noma LED Drummer Boy lights. If you're not familiar with the box, there's the particulars. Pifco model number 1366. It specifies to use CO.AG D-cell batteries or LR20s. Must not be connected to the mains, battery operated. Now at the time, I suppose it would have been cheaper to make them battery operated than providing an adapter, which would be on a probably expensive set of lights to produce way back when. But battery operated LED lights are just the thing nowadays. If you go into the shops, most of them are battery operated. And our particulars on the back are completely different to other sets of lights we feature, especially from the likes of Noma and Pifco. This lighting set is battery operated. Batteries not supplied. On no account must it be connected to the mains. It's designed for use in areas protected from outside weather conditions. Or you could just say they're for indoor use only. Check that all LED lamps are pushed home into the holders. Ensure fresh batteries are fitted. Tells you how to change the batteries. Expected life of the lights when running is 150 hours. I kind of broke that down to if you had them on 8 hours a day over Christmas, they'd last about 2 weeks. How to turn them on and off. It's not weatherproof, blah blah blah. And these are made in Hong Kong. It doesn't mention that the lights are non-replaceable. I mean, you can actually change the LED bulbs in these if you needed to, but these older style LED bulbs are fantastic. They just do not die. They last forever. A lot of old alarm panels and things that I've come across over the years that still run these old ones, they just don't fail. They run on very, very low voltages. Right, let's open them up. If you're interested in looking at the journey that these lights have been on, we've created a playlist just for these lights. This is probably going to be the main video of exploring these lights and going through them as they are now working. But you can check out the playlist up there of all the other videos that we've done on them, including the repair video from Liam Lucas. So here are LED lights. Oh, here's my spare capacitors. As you can see, they are red, green and yellow, alternating. Here's our battery pack. Pifco prominently moulded on the outside case. Right, let's turn them on. Okay. We've got different batteries in here. I'm ill prepared. I don't have any D cells. My genius knows no bounds. If in doubt, jerry rig. That's back in there. There they go. They go in a nice little chase sequence. this sequence going this way and then this way. Come on. There we go. If in doubt, give it a clout. So it's zigzagging along. They look a little bit brighter on camera. Come on. Comply. There you go. But they're back. Full working order. Need to get some proper D-cell batteries for them. They're quite mesmerizing to watch. So there we go. Our Pifco 30 electronic lights. Probably the first set of LED lights that were created for the Christmas market. These are from at least 83, 84, over 40 years old now. I don't know whether I'd ever get them out the box to use them somewhere, but we've got them. I've had this particular set for about 20 years now. And to be fair, in the second-hand market for Christmas lights, they don't really command a high price. You can probably get yourself a set for between £10 and £15. Don't even attempt to upgrade them with modern coloured LEDs because you lose that novelty, you lose that charm. You might as well just buy some modern LED lights. Oh, they're dying. Either the batteries are draining or the and they're dead. Unless the cable's coming loose. Let's give it a tap. Ah, there we go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. We finally got them working and managed to show them in all their glory. As for the little extra bits that we got, we'll do an unboxing for them and upload it as a bonus video on the May Bank holiday so people have got something to watch. And I'll catch you all on the next one.